What's going on, YouTubers? Gadang775. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions on another type of gaming headset. Okay, I want to apologize because this gaming headset was supposed to come along with the other two gaming headsets that I got. You know, I did I think a couple weeks back, but I accidentally pressed free shipping, and when you press free shipping on the holidays for Amazon, it's gonna take anywhere from 7 to 15 days. So it got here a few days after I already shot that video. So I was like, oh man. So that's why I'm doing the video unboxing now. Okay, and I will be doing an unboxing of the Razer Electra. Oh, wrong one. That's next week's headset. I am doing an unboxing of the Razer Electra V2. Okay, Razer Electra V1 came out a few years ago. This is the newest one. Okay, this is pretty much came out right out, like it popped up on Amazon on my thing, like right at the end of the year. I think came out in like December. It's probably been out longer than that because I know people did reviews on them already. But this is a multi-platform type of gaming headset, okay? $59.99, and supposedly one of the best budget gaming headsets you can get out there. I know $59.99 is kind of expensive, okay? You can see why this would have gone well with that other video. It was gonna be a triple unboxing, but it was my fault. I pressed the button, the ship button. You know how you either choose the shipping for your items. You know, when you check out on Amazon, free shipping. Oh well, but yeah, I'm gonna do an unboxing right now. Okay, so, and this is analog, by the way. You got the little 3.5mm jack. So let me go ahead and unbox this thing. I'm assuming you can. There's some tape right there. You can't just pull it off. My goodness. My knife. Tape in the front. Tape in the back. Don't mind that sound, those are my cats. Okay. Look at that. It's got the Xbox colors too. Razer, that's the thing about Razer. They got those Xbox colors. Now this is supposedly really good for the PC because due to this Razer Surround software that you can download. Okay. Now Microsoft the Xbox One X does not have that. So we're gonna have to rely on Windows Surround Sound. We'll see if that even works. Because sometimes it's hit and miss. So Windows Spatial Sound or whatever. So let's go ahead and give this a try. If I don't cut myself. There we go. Okay. As for packaging, it's okay. All plastic. The plastic is not super hard. Okay. Whoops. So you get some stickers, some Razer stickers, and that's the manual right here. So I don't know if I'm gonna have to update this. I might have to update these headphones. I might have to hook them up to my PC. We'll see. Wait, I don't know if I can hook them up to my PC. I don't see a USB hub or anything. Okay. So obviously the mic is detachable because you can see it right there in the middle. And the wires are secured with a zip tie. Well, not a zip tie, but a twisty ties down here at the bottom. And there are two wires. There goes one. And here is the other. Let me grab the mic before I toss this. Okay. So I pretty much got everything. So the mic is bendable. Okay, very it's a hard flexible, I guess. Now it comes standard with an analog or 3.5mm jack, okay? But this other piece right here, this is to connect to the PC. Okay, so I'm pretty sure there's no updates to these headphones and whatnot, unless there was a USB version, probably. but since it's just these, I think we're gonna be good. Now, the benefit of using these on a PC, I think you can take advantage of the Razer Surround software because it says it everywhere on here, Razer Surround software. The thing is that the software is not available to download for Xbox yet. It might come, especially since they're advertising these headphones to work multi-platform. This Xbox already has Razer Synapse to download, especially for like custom controllers like the Razer Wolverine. I'm really taking a look at it because I do like my wired controllers. But the Razer Synapse app is downloadable for the Xbox One. So I'm gonna go ahead. As you can see, my Xbox is already on back there. I'm gonna attach it to my Xbox One controller. And let's test this thing out, shall we? Let's get this mic on here. I'm probably not gonna be able to test the mic. This is just a quick unboxing and first impression. I'll probably do a separate review video of this. Probably not gonna be able to test the mic. Okay, and the microphone hole there, it comes covered, and this cover is totally detachable, so you could probably lose this. So if you don't want to lose it, you know, stick it someplace safe because it's really small. Okay, let's go. Okay, headphone mic jack only goes in one way. Okay, it's curved. I was trying to shove it in, you know, and get your heads out of the gutter. Come on, seriously. No, but the microphone goes in only one way. Okay, there's only one way to put it because it's grooved. It's cut in a certain way, so it can only go in one way. Now let's test the fit. Okay, so again, it's not adjustable. This band in the middle will adjust to how big your head is. Now, if you got an extremely big head or extremely little head, unfortunately, it probably won't work for you. Let's test the fit right now. That is nice. That has a nice fit. Really nice. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and set up. Kitties, I don't want to squash you. Move, baby. Sorry, my kitties are like right here by my chair. So let's go ahead and test it out. Actually, I am going to go to my settings. I think I have Dolby Atmos enabled. I'm on the free trial right now. There is no inline mic on these things. I imagine there would be like an inline mic, but there's no controls on here. I can hear myself. There's mic monitoring. I'm testing it to see. Now let's go to settings. Let's set up our Windows Spatial Sound because I don't think this supports Dolby Atmos. I'm pretty sure it doesn't. Audio output. Let's turn on Windows. Made a difference right away. It made a difference. So then I hit that Windows sound, you could hear it. Alright, so I'm using Windows Sonic right there. So let's go ahead and test it out. Let me test the volume. It got a little bit louder. See, I put it up to max. See, I'm going deaf already, so all of my things are up to max. Headset. Oh, that's a chat mixer. Oh well. So I'm already at the max volume. So let's test out the max volume, something like Fallout 4. So I'm doing a little jump cut here because this is going to take a little while to load. Alright, I got the music playing in the background. Now I can immediately tell that these are better. Back into my normal seating position. Okay, so again, like I said, these right off the bat, they are better. They sound better than the PDP AG6 headphones, and they're certainly better than the Zyberia K5s that I unboxed and had my first impressions. Now these are a fantastic pair of headphones. They do come, they're a little staticky sometimes, but you know, you pay for what you get. And these are like $49.99. And like I said, they only get staticky usually when it's due to lag or when your wire is connected to your controller, and this thing moves around. Like you rest your controller on your leg, that's when you hear static, you know, like, or you bump into this while it's connected, you'll hear static. Now, I haven't heard any from these Razer Electra V2s, but these sound fantastic for what you get. $59.99, almost as good as the Hyper Cloud cores. Now, those are a great pair of headphones. I think those average around $59.99, $69.99. I got mine on sale, I think, what, last Black Friday. Not this past Black Friday. Last year Black Friday. I mean, it was like 49. It was pretty cheap. It was, or maybe Christmas sale. It was a Christmas sale, but it was a really good deal. Really great pair of headphones. These come close to it, and these come cheaper, $10 cheaper standard. I think the standard price is $59.99 on these. I'll leave a link down below. You can check it out on Amazon. I'm gonna do a full review on this, so I am gonna be testing this on my PC as well. I can imagine. I know Razer Surround for the PC is fantastic. Okay, probably rivals something like Dolby Atmos. So I'm gonna test it out with this. Okay, I know this thing supports Razer Surround sound. I just have to download the app up to my PC, and I'll get it started. But this was just a quick first impressions and unboxing on the Razer Electra V2. If you folks like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button, let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate that criticism. Next week, I'm doing an unboxing on another pair of headphones, as well as a review on this VDON F1 wireless bone conduction headphones. I'm going to give my full review on these headphones. And right now, they're okay. Okay, so I still testing it out. Okay, I ran a couple times with it already. Okay, I'm going to run a couple more times, test it out thoroughly, and get the review out. But yeah, it's Gdang775. I want to thank you folks for watching this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. I already said that. What am I doing? It's Gdang775, just a my boy in Texas. Peace out.